So I want to show you guys how much advancement the Armor Guard holsters became since the beginning, what you've seen. Like I said, every time I make these, I'm always looking for new ideas to make them look better. You know what I mean? And I try to start perfectly, because if you start perfectly, you end perfectly, right? So that's the goal. That's what I try to do. Just like you're framing a window out. Once you get it perfectly square, when you put the window in and you're finished, everything's perfect. Same way when you're laying these out, laying the lines out, drilling the holes. I mean, everything. You want everything nice and straight. This way the end result looks nice. So this is a really hot gun right now. It's the Staccato. Everyone's buying this gun. I don't know how they can afford it, but they're all friggin' buying it. And it's a beautiful gun. I really have no desire for it. I can't afford it anyway. I don't have 2 G's to 3 G's to buy that kind of gun. It's pretty much a very high-end 1911, and it holds a ton of ammo. So this is the P. Now you have the C2, which only is a P, but shorter, like a Glock 17. Then you have a Glock 19. It's a little shorter. That's all it is. I am making holsters for this gun. I do have the molds. They will be up on the site shortly. I just got to get over my lazy ass over there and put them on. How much fucking battery do I have? Let's say. Huh, nice phone. Don't even fucking tell you. So this is all for one guy. He's a good guy. His name's Todd. All right. So this is one without a light outside the waistband, 1.75 belt loops, FDE. This I use Coyote Brown. I know on the site it says FDE, but it's Coyote Brown. Personally, I don't like FDE. It's too light. Doesn't really look very nice. I'm sick. I'm dizzy. I got a fucking headache. So that's why I sound like dog shit. So this is one without, he said I want without the light, I want with the light, and I want a taco fold Safari Land setup outside the waistband with the light. So this is the one without the light, which I didn't test yet. I got to test that one. All the holsters get test before I go out, because anything I can't stand is an unhappy customer and a callback. I can't stand it. Most of the time, if I do get a callback, it's something I did by mistake, but it's very rare. You know, the level of callbacks and is like barely nil. So you have to do that because you want to get good reviews on the internet. You know, you make mistakes, you send shit out, and you get bad news on the internet, and it could kill your business. So anyway, this is the Staccato outside the waistband Coyote Brown. I always two-tone it like that. Just what I do. 1.75 belt loops. Now let's get to the cool holster. I just started doing things like this. This is a Safari Land QLS kit. And what it is, gun's been safety checked. Nothing's in the chamber. There's no magazine in the gun. So YouTube's, whoever the flag guy is, sitting there with his big glasses on, chill out, dude. It's all safe. So it's right-handed, and what's cool about this is it makes it very convenient to get it off your belt. See that? Now I'll make these for you. You just got to email me. It's not something that's typically on the website. And they're not cheap. Because this material, all this stuff, is expensive. Okay? Not expensive. So you're looking at maybe $85, $90 to get this done. And then here's the gun with the light. Excellent. Beautiful gun. Sometimes when you first take the gun out of the holster and it's brand new, you might see a little dust in this color. I try to blow them out with an air compressor, but don't worry, it's just dust. It just wipes right off when they're new. This is a gorgeous gun. I'm a big fan of the Hollison because it's super rugged, like rugged. It's all metal, and it's, I don't even think you can drive a car over it and hurt it. So this is the one I got. It's got the solar on the top, nice boxy steel housing. If you have your gun cut out right, they go on real nice. And this is the TLR9 Streamlight, which it has the switches here, very easy to actuate. And that's one of my favorite setups. I've never seen the TLR9 yet, so that's pretty cool. So the on and off switches here. That's on, off. Got to get used to it. It's kind of weird. Look at how that fit. The light comes all the way back. These come back a little further so you don't have to stretch your finger out to push the switch. Kind of high sights, not real high. So I assume this is sighted in for the guy that owns it. Very slick, tight, slick and tight. Slick and tight. That's what makes a gun sexy, right? Fantastic trigger. Jesus, triggers. Let's see if I could just guess. It's got to be like maybe 3.5 pounds. That's my guess. So, just wanted to show you this stuff, and haven't put a YouTube video up forever. I'm sorry about that. And now we actually got a gun we're reviewing. I haven't bought any guns lately. The latest gun I bought was a Ruger SP100 short barrel black. Man, that thing's beautiful. And it's a beautiful revolver. Alright guys, thanks for watching. The links are under the video if you want me to make you a custom holster like that. The link under the video also goes to the website, which covers a ton of different guns for outside, inside, double mag pouches, everything. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon.